Right here, what we have is 3 bikers down, crazy epic moments from MotoStars, lots of crashes, lots of close calls. We're going to determine what happened, and I'm not going to touch the pause button. Okay, so we're not wearing gear, not being smart riders. There's that open space. We got pushed out. There's that pattern. We might be talking about this one a little bit later during the live stream. Pipe burns. Oh, left hand.
This
Left hand. Ay.
prepared for such a maneuver by the driver who performed it in a spot that is completely prohibited.
Okay, so the left-handed turn, we tried to apply the brakes. Let's get this out of the way. Tried to apply the brakes and did not make it happen. Not good, not good. So Santi Moto Vlogs moving through here. Big open air. Oh. Watch out. So that person switched over because this lane was moving quicker. There was that pattern. We should not be fighting for that position. Stop fighting for that position. So almost hit debris and then rear tire spins as I'm changing lanes. Okay, some oil. So we got some debris here. Oh, move over that. There's some oil right there. So this is a good lesson with road surface hazards at interstate speeds and what planning really looks like. We're going to locate these hazards, adapt to it by putting ourselves in a better position for safety, so now we can locate again. And we keep going PLA, APL, all those things, okay? Let's take a look right here. He's going to see a hazard. We have a good following distance, so he's going to maneuver, adapt. We see another hazard. Oh, adapt a little bit. We're still in our lane, and we call it a day. Now, if he was right up on that car's ass and they slammed the brakes, we'd slam the brakes too. But if we were right on it, we couldn't see. So we would have terrible line of sight. So the fact that he has a nice big space cushion, which is really important at interstate speeds, he was able to see the hazard way ahead of time and then was able just to do this and then just do this and then just do this. You don't have to swerve like crazy. So the main thing here, the biggest factors here, the reason why he's not on the ground is because he's a freaking smart rider. Good job, man. Good job. Whew. So Yonkers, New York. Okay. Oh, rear-ended. So why was he rear-ended? We have full high-vis gear. Drivers are dumb. They're not paying attention. They're just not paying attention. Brett Carlson just became a DDFM crew member on our course and our MTC Rider Academy. Links in the description.
For to yield.
Okay, not even trying to stop, and we just impacted. So they weren't doing what they're supposed to be doing. We should be in orange stage. We were going to go over this one. Let's go back just a little bit. I want you guys to see the intersecting. I'm going to go ahead and turn off MotoStars because he talks during this one. But we're going to come up through here. See that side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. We're still kind of going in that same trajectory. I don't even know what this is called. Is it intersecting? I don't know. What's the math term for that in geometries? I failed it. But we're going to go through here. And that's what we need to be watching out for. So at this point, I'd be rolling off the throttle, not applying the brakes, but just rolling off the throttle because I see that side of the vehicle indicating this is an intersection, which indicates I need to be going in orange stage anyways. So he's going to roll off that throttle just to see what's happening. We're not stopping because we have the right of way. So we're going to continue going, but we're kind of rolled off. We're going to get a little bit of weight on that front tire, just a little bit, kind of equalize the pressure, and then cover our front brakes. And then right now, I know that person's intersecting with me, so I'm looking for escape paths. I'm planning my ride. Very, very, very important because you never know if somebody's going to stop or not. So it looks like they're not slowing down. At this point, since I'm already slowing down, right, because I was rolling off the throttle, not super fast, like I said, slowing it down a little bit. Now, when I see that they're not stopping, I can apply progressive brake pressure. I already have perceived my reaction time is minimized because I'm covering the brakes already, and I have a little bit of weight on that front tire because I rolled off the throttle using engine braking. So now I just have to squeeze, and now my total stopping distance is right here, but all I'm having to do is braking distance. So make sure you guys are watching intersections. They are automatic orange stage, and then you cover the brakes, you roll off the throttle, and if somebody does something stupid like this, you're prepped for it. But if you're not paying attention, last second you slam the brakes, you might crash. So find those escape paths, okay? Biggest factor, not paying attention too much or not understanding what to look for. Okay, we got side of the cow. Okay, side of this, is it a steer? I don't know. Got rendered at Yonkers again. Nope, they used the wrong text. MotoStars, what are you doing there?